Hey everybody, can you see that? Alright, cool. I was watching Stephen Cox's channel, and if you haven't watched his channel, go watch it. The guy's really smart, knows a ton of stuff about equipment maintenance, equipment repairing things. He's a heavy equipment mechanic, repair technician. Just the guy knows what he's talking about. But he had a video that really didn't, I wasn't mostly surprised except for one thing. One was Fram, which I don't really use Fram because I had an issue with Fram filters in an old diesel pickup. That's a separate story. But where he said that, you know, if you go buy a Fram filter in the store, the one that has that rubber stuff on it, he said those aren't even, you get a better filter at a quick oil change place. Well, it just happens, stuff happened last week. I needed to change the oil in that old black truck y'all see in some of my videos, the old farm truck. I needed to get the oil changed in it. I didn't have time to do it, so I went, there's a place right here about 3 blocks from where I live. It's Express Lube, or it's one of those cheap oil change places, and I just whipped in there and said, I just need the oil changed, whatever, cheapest you got. That's it. I mean, I drive that, you know, I don't need, the oil ages out, it doesn't mileage out. And I just watched that video, and I told them, I said, hey, throw that old oil filter in the back of the truck. And they had changed the oil the last time too. So this is the oil filter that quick cheap oil change place puts on Fram, but it's a core, Fram core, which I don't see these in the stores. Maybe I don't look. I don't ever look at Frams, but you know, the ones you see in the store have that black thing around it where you can grab it. So I'm wondering if this is more of a distributor type oil filter for jobbers and stuff like that, where you buy, you know, 100 of them in a box. They ain't even wrapped, or probably just got plastic around them or something. Because if you'll watch this video, you'll know what the Fram in the store looks like when you tear it apart. I'm going to tear this one apart and see what the Fram from a jobber looks like. So I got my handy dandy $20 cutoff wheel. Let's see how this works. Okay, now I got this guard adjusted, so now let's see how it works. And a, yeah, it's and a drain back, looks like. Just a piece of rubber. Let me go get a box cutter. Let's see what happens if I cut it this way. Yeah, okay. So where's that pleat? I have to clean this up when my wife gets home. Ooh, mercy. So this is that, you know, the other ones you saw that he showed, they were, I remember this and the two caps being all metal, and this is just cardboard, and this is, it's pretty strong though. So I'm not worried about that. This will be kind of concerning. So oh yeah. Yay team. Oh wow, check this out. Y'all can see that. Okay, got a tape measure. So that it's like 28 inches. So that's right on dead nuts 28. And let's do whatever this thing is. It's 28 plus that plus this. So 28 plus, call it 4, 32 plus 14, 42, 46. 42, 46, yeah, so 46 inches, so less than 4 feet of material. Hope y'all find it interesting. I sure did. I've cut apart my filter for the bus fleet guard, and that thing has probably got 30 feet. I mean, it's just like, and a Baldwin, same thing. I've cut one of those apart once, checking on a motor, and they're just packed full of stuff. This one, honestly, I think this has more stuff than the one he did, because I remember he pulled it out, it was like about, yeah, so. Hope y'all find this interesting, and make sure you go watch his video, because his video is awesome, and it's to see somebody that really knows what they're talking about, cut one of these apart and go through the different parts, why this is good, why that ain't good. It's extremely, I mean, I find that stuff very interesting, and I hope y'all do too. So go watch his channel, especially watch that oil change video. Thanks a lot.